Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials so troubleshooting is targeted: power and Ethernet LEDs, cable seating, and whether your device uses DHCP or a static IP. Run a quick IP check to see your address, gateway, and DNS. This tells you if the device got network info. Once done, reboot the modem, router, and your device in sequence. Power cycle clears many transient faults. Make sure to note any LED patterns or error messages. They guide the next steps. Now isolate the problem. Ping your gateway to confirm local link and run traceroute to an external IP to reveal where packets stop. If pings fail, swap the Ethernet cable and try another port or device to rule out hardware. Check the router's logs and firewall rules because blocked traffic or misconfigured NAT often looks like no connection. If you run VPNs or security suites, temporarily disable them to ensure they are not filtering your traffic. To finish, renew DHCP lease or apply the correct static IP, gateway, and DNS. Use 8 temporarily to validate name resolution. Update router firmware, and if misconfiguration persists, reset to a known good config, then reapply your secure settings. This removes hidden glitches. Once everything is back, verify speed and stability with repeated pings and browsing. If problems remain, capture logs and timestamps. Then contact your ISP with that evidence so they can trace line or prevent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.